Hello and welcome to the Strategic Advisor Board. I'm Dr. Bruce Rippee, bringing you all things health and wellness. Remember, my job is to help you bake wellness into the fabric of your culture. That way your employees, your executives, and yourself can actually start having conversations about what you can do for you instead of what medicine can do for you with drugs and surgery. So please contact me, Dr. Bruce at Brent Med, and you'll have that email address at the end of this. So I get asked probably, I don't know, maybe once or twice every month, maybe more than that. What kind of mattress should I buy? Hey, my wife and I were tired of this mattress. We just got this mattress. Should we have purchased this mattress? This mattress was really expensive. Okay. We talk about sleep numbers and we talk about all of that. So there's some really important things about mattresses. Number one, as we get older, the acetabulum and the way the hips attach to those have the tendency to stretch a little bit in the joint capsule. That causes a little bit of inflammation. So you're actually a tiny bit better off getting a slightly softer mattress, not a pillow top though. The pillow tops always feel the absolute best while you're in the store. You lay on them, they feel fantastic, and they do pretty well for the first, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks. And then you start noticing, boy, I'm getting, my back is weird. I don't know if I like this thing. That's because they are very prone to the impression, right? If you get this Dr. Bruce impression in my mattress, then I'm going to sink into that, and it's very likely not going to work well for me. It's simply not supportive enough. Sleep number beds do a little bit better depending upon how much the batting is on the top. Sometimes they'll put pillows on the top, you get 4 inches of batting. Well, the truth is, it doesn't matter what the balloon is underneath you. You're going to squish the batting down and it's going to have this impression, whatever it is, shoulders here, hips there, ankles, whatever. So that isn't a good idea. The best mattresses, honestly, are the ones you can flip and twist and flip and spin. And those are generally, you can find those from the hotels and so forth. You can find out who manufactures those for the hotels. And if they especially, I've seen some recently that have January and then April and then whatever on them. And you can look at the bottom left corner and in January that should be there. And then you look for February, you would have to find the next corner that you would flip and twist the mattress so that it would fit, where February would be at the bottom left corner. March, you would flip it and twist it again, however it works out. I actually like those. They're really cool, but you have to look for them. So people ask me all the time, well, what advice, what should I be using, right? So here's some basics. The best thing in the world that has happened are these online mattresses. There's a whole bunch of them. The Ghost, the Bed in a Box, the Tuft & Needle, the Purple. These mattresses are fantastic, and here's why. They're not kidding when they say 90 days, they will just simply take it back. For no questions asked, no reasons whatsoever, full refund. I wound up purchasing a purple mattress. I don't have any stock in purple mattresses, but I wound up purchasing one. And the reason why was that one of the 5-star reviews was this mattress wasn't any good. It didn't work out for me at all. But they're not kidding. I took it back to them at 92 days and they gave me a full refund, no questions asked, right? I think you get 100 days total with a lot of these. My suggestion to you, try them. Donate your mattress to somebody that needs it, and then try one of them. Try it for a couple, 3 months, because by then, wow, boy, that really has a bad impression, right? Doesn't work out. Give that back, or in some cases, they will simply donate that mattress to one of the wonderful charities in your own town, and then get the next one, right? If that works for you, keep that one, right? And then write the 5-star review. Also, when you start getting a softer mattress, you need a thinner pillow. It makes sense if you think about it. Your shoulder is going to sink into that mattress. If you can imagine a mattress over here, my shoulder is going to sink into that mattress. Because of that, I don't need as much pillow. If I have as much pillow, I'm going to wind up going like this, right? I sink one direction and I've got this big pillow. That doesn't work very well. That's one of the reasons why the pillows like my pillow, there's a bunch of them, by the way, seem to work pretty well. You can open those up, take a lot of the stuffing out of it, which I had to do. I tried it. It didn't work for me, but that doesn't matter. You get what I'm saying? You get a big fluffy pillow, you better have a really firm mattress. Seriously. So the firmer the mattress, the bigger the pillow. The softer the mattress, the thinner the pillow. It'll actually work a lot better for you. And as you age, look for something that's relatively soft, because it really doesn't help to have that sheet of concrete with a sheet over the top of it. For your hips, it just really doesn't work out well that way. People don't sleep well that way. You really do need to have a little bit of cushion going into it, but do not get a pillow top. I'm going to tell you right now, I can't tell you how many of my patients wound up giving those back. They didn't like them at all after 2 months. And a lot of times the warranty isn't really what they say that it is. They'll give you another mattress, but they won't just refund your money. The ones that are online actually will do that. So that is my big recommendation. Try them. Get Tough to Needle, get Ghost, get whatever they're called, Casper. I don't know what they are anymore, but the Bed in the Box, Purple, all these kind of things. Try them for 90 days. If they work for you, you're like, hey, I'm kind of in on this. I like it. If they don't, then you can always give them back, or they'll wind up having you donate them, but they will give you a full refund. It's worth your time and energy. All right. Hopefully this helps you. In the next time, I'm going to start talking about movement. I have a bunch of exercises and things that I think you can do in your chair that are very good for any executive and very good to bake into the conversations and the fabric of your culture. It has the tendency to help people heal and grow. You get an optimal performer, and that's really what we're all after. So I will talk to you next time. And in the meantime, be an example of what's possible.